brakes were so cooked. There was everything inside, even after soda and ultrasonic cleaner, so much goo inside. Look at this. Time to resolve this. Much better.
I used a dedicated brake caliper paint and baked it.
Brake hose was too long and I bought spare ones. So this is the one that came with my motorcycle. I will use this one, the proper shorter version. This is fabricated because it's unavailable, and then this grommet 3D printed.
It's worth figuring out how the master cylinder works before assembling it. The small shims here act as a one-way valve, a check valve. It allows the fluid from the reservoir to fill any deficiencies in the brake line. You have to put the spring in the right direction. You can't put it like that, because it will block the shims, blocking the flow of the fluid. It has to be put like this. This seal has tiny creases. They allow the fluid to go through, but again, only in one direction. So it has to be oriented like that. It restricts the fluid flow in this direction. This is another check valve. Not all cylinders are equipped with it. Its role is a bit different. When you release the lever, the pressure in the brake line pushes it against the spring. The valve won't allow the fluid to go back, so the fluid along with the valve is pushing against the spring. This lifts the valve and allows the fluid to pass, but only to the point where the initial load on the spring and brake line pressure are equal. This primes the brake line with slight pressure, providing more direct response from the brake system. Then comes the shim and retaining ring to stop the piston from popping out, and the boot that pops into the crease inside, secured with a circlip.
So I use this device for initial bleeding, and then I do it manually. I've gone so far that I even replaced a bolt like this to original.
Watch the full build here.